Hi, and welcome to Pen and Pat. In today's video, we are going to be drawing the one, the only, as always, Mandalorian. So, let's jump right in. Let's grab a piece of paper, pen, and we're first going to start off with his mask. So, let's go. Alright, first we're going to begin by drawing the very bottom of his mask. So we're going to just start at a point and come at an angle in, stop. Same thing from this side, come back up. Awesome. Then what we're going to do is we're going to come up and around and down. Awesome, looking good. Then what we're going to do is work on his little visor. Come down at an angle. Come all the way across. Kind of a nice swoop. Come down at an angle. And then curve. Come down around and curve. And let's go all the way down. Awesome, and we'll darken this in a little bit later. And then what we'll do is we'll work on the outline of this. So we're just going to do a swoop. Awesome. And then we're going to kind of outline this again. Awesome, looks good. Then his visor at the very top, or I guess top of his helmet, he has these straight lines. And then we're going to come down on the inside. Come to a point. Point. Go all the way back up. And there we go, there's the mask. And we're just going to add a few details. He has this part that comes out on his mask. Same thing on this side. Perfect. And there we go. That's his mask. We'll add more details in later too as we go along. Then he's got his neck, which is just a really short V. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add a line. Nice curve. One. I'm going to add another curve that comes out and down and past. Then stop. I'm going to come right here on the outside of this curve. Follow this one around. Then stop. Just like how we have these angles. We're going to stop right there. On this side, curve all the way down. And let's actually cross over. Awesome. Then one more. And this one's going to come all the way down and connect. Cool. Then he's got his shoulder pads. Curve. Up. Curve. We'll connect those together. And then right underneath are his arms. Or just arm. Can you imagine if he had multiple arms right there? That would be weird. This is like where his wrist is at, beginning of his hand. Awesome. Then his fist, gonna come down, curve over. We're just gonna do like one little finger. Come down, and then we're gonna do a little curve out for his thumb. And connect. Nice, good job. Alright. And then on the outside, we're gonna have his cape kind of swirling about him. And we'll stop there, we'll add some more details along the way. Alright. Now let's get his other shoulder pad. Curve over. Let's curve around. Then curve up. This arm we're going to have kind of stick out from the shoulder pads about halfway. Down. Then curve. Then come up. Awesome. In that wrist part, pop out. All the way around. Up. Over. Looking good. Then his hand, we're going to just follow this part of his wrist. Down. Let's do it one finger again. And his thumb kind of sweeps out. And over and connect. Awesome, looking good. Now let's get the rest of his body. Let's just curve in. Stop. Curve in. Stop. Add a little spot for his belt, which we'll just kind of roughly draw in right now, huh? Why not? Perfect. Then we're going to come down to his legs. Down. And kind of swoop out a little bit. Then we're going to add a shoe. There we go. Up. Over. Down. And let's get his other leg on this side. Come down. Swoop out a little bit. And a shoe. Awesome. Looking good. Okay. Now let's just add a few more details. Let's kind of just finish off his cloak on the one side. So this side's going to be easy. We're just going to connect it down here. There we go. And we'll let it kind of swirl there. Then over here, we're going to have a little bit of fun. Come down. Up. And connect. And then what we're going to do is we're going to kind of show like the outer layer. So we're just going to start right here. Follow the curve. And then connect. Nice. Looking good. Okay, and then from here, let's just add in some details. He always has his gun, his rifle. Straight lines are parallel. And then the top part of the stick, or of his gun, I guess, comes around. We got thicker part. Curves in and around, looking good. Alright, then we'll just add, let's see, let's work on his belt. It almost looks like the letter H. So we're just going to come down, up, come down and in. See, kind of looks like the letter H. We'll put some little metal casings that he has tucked in here. Put a little side, I don't know what to really call that, side something. Not suspenders, but it's not really a holster either, but it has some metal things as well. Awesome. And then he's got some armor back here, which connects. And awesome, looking good. Okay, so now I'm just going to speed this up while I finish off the details. And then we're going to be all done. So we're just going to add in things like details on the gloves, adding lines, color, and then we're going to be all good to go. So then all of a sudden, once we get that all done, bam! And there we go. Look how good this picture turned out. It looks so good with the color, the details, and that is Mando, the Mandalorian. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe for more great videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.